Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Max torque, 1,400 in lbs. Weight, tool only 3.3 pounds. Head length, 7 inches. Milwaukee's half-an-inch hammer drill is a compact powerhouse that delivers impressive performance despite its small size. With a maximum torque of 1,400 inch-pounds and a top speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, it handles a wide variety of drilling tasks with ease. In testing, the drill powered through a half-an-inch standard drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit without strain, while also drilling clean 1/4-inch holes into concrete. Its 3-speed settings, more than the typical 2 found on similar models, allow precise control, making it easy to dial back speed and torque when driving screws. One of the most notable features of this tool is how Milwaukee packs all that power into a lightweight, compact design. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it is comfortable to handle for extended periods and ideal for tight spaces. Additionally, the drill includes an auto-stop function, which automatically shuts off the motor if the bit binds, helping prevent accidents and damage. While it may not be the absolute fastest or most powerful hammer drill available, the combination of its compact size, manageable weight, versatile speed settings, and safety features make it an outstanding all-around tool. For those who want a reliable, high-performing hammer drill that's easy to control and carry, this Milwaukee model strikes an excellent balance between power, portability, and practicality. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. Max speed, 1,800 revolutions per minute. Torque, 400 in lbs. Weight, tool only 2.23 pounds. Head length, 6.1 inches. The Skil PWRCORE drill is an impressive compact tool that delivers strong performance at a budget-friendly price. Despite its small size, it can handle a surprising range of tasks. In testing, it drilled a half-inch hole into a 2x4 in just 3 seconds, demonstrating its power and efficiency. Using a 1-inch spade bit was a bit more challenging. The bit occasionally became stuck in the wood, but for most general drilling tasks, it performs admirably. As a driver, the drill handled 3-inch screws with ease, making it versatile for woodworking and household projects. One of the standout features of this drill is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 2.23 pounds without the battery and measuring just over 6 inches in head length, it is easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Its narrow profile also makes it comfortable to hold for extended use, reducing fatigue during longer projects. While it lacks some of the advanced features of premium drills, the Skil PWRCORE includes 2 speed settings and a built-in LED work light to illuminate your work area. What truly sets it apart is the value. Where premium 20-volt drills often cost $300 or more, the Skil kit is just $80. This combination of solid performance, lightweight design, and extremely affordable price makes the Skil PWRCORE 20-volt drill an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, budget-friendly cordless drill without sacrificing usability or power. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2,500 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,400 in lbs. Weight, tool only 3.9 pounds. Head length, 7.1 in. Flex's cordless tools are celebrated for their exceptional power, and this 24-volt drill is a prime example. Delivering 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, it handles heavy-duty drilling tasks with ease. In testing, the drill effortlessly completed 5 half-an-inch twist bit holes and 5 1-inch spade bit holes in under 3 seconds each, demonstrating smooth, consistent performance. Pushing it further, we drilled into a cement block using a 3/8 inch bit, a task that would challenge most drills, yet the Flex continued without hesitation, proving its capability for demanding projects. Despite its power, the drill remains relatively compact, with a head length of 7.1 inches, making it suitable for tighter spaces. Weighing just under 4 pounds without the battery, it's manageable for extended use, though the 5.0Ah battery brings the total weight close to 6 pounds. This drill is loaded with features designed for both performance and safety. A turbo button boosts torque to its maximum, while a rotation protection system prevents over-rotation to protect your wrist and arm. These thoughtful touches make it a comfortable and reliable tool, even under intense workloads. While it comes at a higher price than many other cordless drills, the Flex 24-volt drill justifies the cost with unmatched power, precision, and durability. For professionals or serious DIY enthusiasts who need a drill that won't quit, this Flex model is a top-tier choice. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. Max speed, 2000 revolutions per minute. Torque, not listed. Weight, tool only 4.1 pounds. Head length, 7.6 in. DeWalt's XR cordless drill stands out as a flagship model, combining raw power with impressive versatility. In testing, it delivered record-fast performance, drilling a half-inch hole through a 2x4 with a standard bit in about half a second, and a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in just 3 seconds. These were the fastest times among all the drills we evaluated. What makes this drill particularly impressive is the level of control it offers. With 3 distinct speed settings and adjustable torque, it's easy to dial back power for precise tasks, such as driving screws without stripping heads. The DeWalt XR also includes thoughtful features designed for safety and convenience. An anti-rotation system automatically shuts off the motor if excessive rotational force is detected, protecting your wrist during heavy-duty use. The built-in, adjustable work light ensures you can see your work clearly, even in tight or poorly lit spaces. While the drill is not the lightest at 4.1 pounds without a battery, it remains surprisingly compact, with a head length of 7.6 inches. This allows it to fit into tight corners or confined workspaces where larger drills might struggle. Overall, the DeWalt XR cordless drill combines high-speed performance, precise control, and useful safety features into a reliable, professional-grade tool. For anyone seeking a powerful and versatile cordless drill that can handle tough tasks with ease, the XR is a standout choice. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,250 Nlbs. Weight, tool only 5.5 pounds. Head length, 7 in. Makita's XPH14 half-inch hammer drill is a powerful, compact tool designed for both heavy-duty drilling and driving tasks. With a maximum torque of 1,250 inch-pounds and a top speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, this hammer drill effortlessly handles a variety of demanding jobs. In testing, it easily drove a half-inch standard drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit through a 2x4, demonstrating smooth, reliable performance. Its hammer drill function proved equally impressive, quickly boring clean 5/8-inch holes into concrete without hesitation, making it a versatile choice for construction and home improvement projects. Beyond drilling, the XPH14 doubles as a capable driver. Adjusting the speed and torque allowed for precise control, enabling me to drive 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s consistently without stripping the screw heads. This balance of power and precision makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from framing to cabinetry. Despite its impressive output, the Makita XPH14 remains relatively compact with a head length of 7 inches, allowing it to fit into tighter spaces where larger drills might struggle. While it is one of the heavier tools in its class, weighing 5.5 pounds without the battery, the extra heft contributes to its stability and durability. Overall, the XPH14 combines raw power, versatility, and solid construction, making it a standout choice for professionals and serious DIYers seeking a reliable hammer drill that can tackle tough tasks with confidence.